Okay, right now we're still at the house of Tita Agnes, but we are already on our saris. And we're just waiting for Amit, our driver.
Hello.
So this is Collie. She's wearing, I think it's a net sari.
Nakita yung puti sa ilalim ba to?
See the details of the flowers on her sari. Yes. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? And then next is Mommy Rose.
Mine is Bengali cotton.
Bengali cotton. And we're Skyping with we're Skyping with Hi!
Tita Rose!
I'm Jara.
Ay, sana nandito ka.
Nashock na siya.
Yung
Layo daw tayo.
Yung pin-project mong sari.
Ayan.
Ayun na, suot.
Pupunta kami ng kasal ngayon, Krisha.
Sabi niya, Papa, ako, give me Papa.
Nakasuot eh.
Okay. Okay, ano naman time dyan? It's 10 o'clock.
And Arlene is wearing
I am the twin.
a three-piece suit.
Ha? 10 o'clock.
Ayun, sa Bengali sari.
This is Bengali.
It's made of cotton.
Cotton. Yeah. Ayusin natin yung ilalim.
Ganon? Oo nga. O, sige.
And this one is like a chiffon sari being worn by them. Sequin and all.
Maganda yung din, no? Ba't hindi ka comfortable din?
Na baka matanggal ko yung mga beads, di ba?
Right? Wait lang.
How about you?
And this is
one.
me.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of material it is. Synthetic silk or something. And I'm wearing socks!
Wait. She's wearing socks.
I'm wearing socks because it's freaking cold here in Delhi.
Yeah.
But yeah.
She's very pretty. I was the one who placed her makeup. So, I'm the makeup artist. Yeah.
Pero likod.
Look
My
at the
God.
back.
Oh.
Okay.
Ayun lang.
Sexy back.
So we're attending a wedding later of an Indian guy with a Filipino woman.
Okay.
The daughter of Mamu Rose's best friend. So, we're gonna party. Like Indians do. So, see you later. Bye.
See you later. Bye.